thinning margins, labor shortages, declining reimbursements. The pressure on health systems has never been greater. Every day, your teams must do extraordinary things just to handle ordinary tasks. You've asked for a better way, a way to apply AI to solve operational challenges at scale. Introducing the Qventus AI Solution Factory. It's a new paradigm for automating care operations. For over a decade, we've perfected the engine, a platform that integrates with your EHR and understands everything from a fax to a patient call. Now, the factory turns that engine into your custom AI workforce. At the heart are AI operational assistants. They aren't just tools, they're teammates. They read, write, speak, and understand, always 2 steps ahead. And now, they have powerful new skills. Chart mining, instantly extract and cite patient data. Continuous risk determination, identify and triage at-risk patients. Care gap orchestration, close gaps to prevent delays and prep patients for surgery. Intelligent document management, end the paper chase by digitizing and routing communications. Patient concierge, handle intake, appointments, and outreach across voice, text, or email. Call center assistant, support clinicians with real-time insights, follow-up automation, and coaching. With the Qventus AI Solution Factory, we don't just solve today's problems, we give you the blueprint for the future. Automate the chaos, secure your margins, own your mission with Qventus.